in our community man in a kitchen. Check it out. Yeah, and them are going things.
Hold on. You have to catch it better.
Catch it better, alright
Yeah.
then.
Yes. Yeah.
Shout out.
The Johnson family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Johnson family, the Johnson family, yeah. Johnson, come hang with me.
Hello. Wagwan, big up yourself for the area yard or area abroad. Welcome back to another episode of the Jam Farm. I've decided I was going to make for my breakfast an omelette this morning because I couldn't figure out what I'm going to eat, and I want something that's going to be long lasting in my tummy. So I've got, don't know if anybody does this, but I have my egg, and inside of it I've just put a sardine. So if you if you're one of those people who like Eliona who does not like sardine, then cringe, but that's what I want to have for my breakfast this morning. I'm going to just let that cook and then share it out. That smell. I cannot have my egg runny, so I just turn it over just to get the other side to dry a little bit. And now I'm going to take it out and plate it. And I'm going to be having my omelette with some bread, some brown bread, and some peppermint tea. So that's my morning to start.
Hey everyone, good afternoon. I am in Galchester, Carter District, and today we are going to be having a cookout for a 7-year-old's birthday party. So in our community man in a kitchen. Check it out. Yeah, and them are going things.
Hold on. You have to catch it better.
Catch it better, alright
Yeah.
then.
Yes. Yeah.
Shout out. Right there, so.
YouTube.
It's so rich on YouTube. That's just a video.
TikTok.
It'll go everywhere.
Alright, big up everywhere.
Every stream. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube.
Yeah, you know I'm boss, you know.
Yeah. So that is the salad. It's prepared for later. And potato salad is over there. And on the what's on the fire?
Goat soup, peas, cook already. Rice. Already going on the pot yet.
Yeah.
A little bit early.
Okay.
So let's go and get them thing out of the way. For the big show later on.
Blessings. I like how that sounds. So I'm going to check in over the next side and see what's going on over there. I'll see you lot soon. Okay, sweating can done. I add about my third bag juice, second bag juice. This. But yeah. It's quite nice though. Gazebo set up and running. Kitchen are gone. And bouncy castle come now. Bubble like soup, bubble likes in a hot boy. Jeez.
Yeah, this is the go-to.
Yes.
Yeah, real rammy.
It look nice. It smells really nice too. Yeah, man. All natural cooking on the natural wood fire. Pimento wood. Yeah. And people are just chilling and having conversations as per usual. So this is some of the views. Thank you. Nice lush greenery. Oh yeah. Let's go. No, sir. We're checking back on the chicken. Chicken not fry yet. Huh? I'm still not seeing on chicken. Okay. Well, we'll enjoy the views meanwhile. Maybe me I watch the chicken pot too much. Maybe that's why it's still not gone on yet.
Today we're going to be doing a haul that my mom got from her sister.
Okay, so I haven't had a look in this bag, so I have no idea what's in there. And somebody cannot wait for me to see. So I'm going to open it now for the first time and just have a look at what's in there.
That's a lot of blue.
Okay,
You
so
have the blue version of them.
yeah. So this I think is a gym accessory set to go along with my exercise that I'm currently doing.
I'm going to take your blue one.
Okay, so yeah, I have the blue version of this, so now I have another one that I can wear. Oh, I've got a replacement handbag for the one that I currently have that I go on with. So I have this, my normal travel bag that I had before.
That's so
This
pretty.
one is now going to be the one that I use to replace. So that's the one I normally carry when I go on holiday. And I've been using it since I came here because it's one of the ones that has the strap around it. So it was good.
I can now cook by myself.
Okay, so we had lighters, but we
Not sure where
can
they're
shipped, but we do not know where they are. Can't find them. So now that's good. You'll have
Oh,
that.
you have something like this.
What else is in there?
It's glasses like this.
Ooh.
Oh, look.
Yep. I have another one.
So give me the old one.
Oh, that was. Oh, she brought our travel scale that we had left.
So this is travel scale.
Oh, and we got some. This is a deep massaging foot pack just to put on the foot because I do tend to wear quite a lot of slippers here, so I can now be able to put that on my heel to give it some treatment every so often. Oh, we've got another water bottle.
Collection.
Yeah, so I guess you can add to your water bottle collection to go to school then, because you have one like this now, don't you? What color is yours?
It's the same color.
Okay,
Well, the
but
bottom
the
black
bottle
and the
is
top
clear,
is- yeah.
isn't it? And then you have the bottom black and a lid on top. Let's see. Okay, whilst you're looking at what that is, I'm going to look at. Oh, I got a replacement because I had a brown or tan color clutch bag, so now I've got this as a replacement for it, which is quite good.
This is so cute.
Nice and
It's
dandy.
like, can I have this? It's
So
cute.
for my formal outing, can I have a look at that one?
That's so cute. I'm going to teach you something.
Okay, I like this. I like the design on it as
It's
well.
hard to open.
The shell design. Now, you know what? I just opened this and I just need to take a whiff. You know, before when I used to, people used to say, "Oh, the stuff that people bring from other countries, when they bring it, it have this foreign smell," and I kept trying to figure out. And now, when I open some of my stuff, I can definitely see what people mean. And this was one of them that brought it back. I have no idea what we're going to do with the screen.
So we're going to use this for our imaginary car.
Well, as we say, we'll soon have a car.
Can I have these?
Oh, she brought you a bathroom set thing.
Can I have these? I want these. I'm going to put my soap in here. It's going to be so aesthetic. I'm going to put my toothbrush in here, but it's not just on the
And then
floor
your
as well.
face soap.
I want these. I want these.
Okay, so, but they're mine.
I'm going to keep them.
Okay, so can we just see the little set, how cute it looks?
Says this, I think it's like a toothbrush holder.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's this, it's like a soap bar. Or like, I guess you can put anything on it. You can put like scissors or something.
Mm-hmm.
And this, I don't know if you put it,
It
on
could
like
be
that.
a bar or you
could
could
do
leave
it like that.
that.
Or you could like put it separately.
Mhm.
Doesn't really matter, I don't think.
No, you just have to work with it in the space you've got. Oh, Let's see. What is that?
So cute.
I got another set. Yeah, sliders. So I've got a pair of sliders, so I can just push my foot in there and head out. I like these free ability to move around. Oh, those are some that we had in there when we left. Remember, we left this bag.
Oh.
So some of this stuff. So Eliona likes to pack with vacuum seal bags. So this is one that a set that she has to pack with.
Matching shoes. So I got these, which I did on my haul, which you can see on my TikTok page.
And I will show you some of her haul as well.
This is so cute.
So
Oh
we
my
now
goodness.
have the same trainers again. We have a black
I have a
pair.
skirt with the same fabric.
Me too. So we've got a black pair of trainers that we have together, the same color, with white soles, and now we both have this set of white ones together. So wish us good luck with wearing these in Mandeville, in Manchester, given the type of soil that we have here.
Oh, you got some letters as well.
Those are just some letters. We can look at them later on. And of course, we've got lingerie.
I got the same thing on my haul. And you
I
get
want
it
to see
too.
that one different. Let's see.
Oh, this is just leggings.
Oh, I go through, I like to wear these nice and comfortable
Here you go,
leggings.
there's another one.
So I did put an order in for these.
What are these? Are these like...
Oh, they are for the curtains, to put up curtain. Let's see. Oh, lingerie again. Let's put it there.
Oh, we both got one. So I got a purple version like this.
Shower cap. Charger.
Samsung charger.
Oh,
Look, there's a
curtains.
last time in London.
And a set of curtains.
I think that's what the hooks are for.
Yeah,
I don't think you got the bridesmaid dress. Yeah,
that's
that's in
fine.
there.
Got some bicycle shorts. I like this color. Wow. I like that color. I'll see if this top fits, but it's nice. I can just layer it and wear it.
Oh, I have this exact one. That exact color.
Okay, so I've got some bicycle shorts.
So did you
So-
do a try-on haul?
I'm not trying anything on. So that's pretty much the things that I've gotten. And this one,
I have that same one too.
that I got here,
Right.
and that's what it says. So I guess something else to look forward to coming up. Yay! More excitement. So that's pretty much it. I like the different things that I have here, and we'll get to sort them out. And
Kitchen check-in.
Chicken, check.
Check. My zone that. You can do your thing, man. Yeah, go on. Fire kick. But now I'm going to stick me up a smoke again, my God. Got sunset in large. Daddy and sister in the kitchen. Neighborly love in the kitchen. Cousin, partner.